It's such a great opportunity for women to get together, to celebrate being healthy and active.
Oh, you don't need to take that!
It's a great venue for all ages, from these young gals to women in their 70s.
Well, I think 68 turning 69 this year is the first perfect year to start doing triathlons. How's that sound?
My daughter encouraged me to do it, so I wanted to do it for her, but also my granddaughters, who are both young teenagers, and I'm hoping that they'll do it someday too.
I know she was quite nervous about all the distances put together, and I just reminded her it's a race about you, it's not about anybody else. There she is, there's my mom with the red cap right there. It's how you choose to get to the finish line. If you want to walk, you walk. If you want to walk in the swim, you can walk in the swim. You can ride your bike as fast or as slow as you want. You just keep going forward.
3, 2, 1, go!
The good stuff happens on the other side of the comfort zone. We got to challenge ourselves. In all the things I've been afraid to do, and really afraid, I have a lot of fears. Whenever I ignore those fears and arm myself and do something that scares me, I always find joy. Every single time.
It's amazing. I'm so happy I did this today. Makes me feel alive. We're here to do hard things. We can do it. And everyone else is here to cheer you on.
My only regret is that I didn't start sooner. I just feel like I could have been doing this all along, and it was the only thing that stopped me was fear. I just thought I couldn't do it because I didn't bike, I didn't swim, and I certainly didn't run. So, and here I am. This is my third Iron Girl, and I'm just so happy and grateful to have this.
By the way, girl. Good job.
I just love seeing all kinds of different women. Yeah, we've got our fast women, and we've got our women that are walking, and we've got our women that have probably just turned 40 and they need a change, or someone who's just turned 60 and needs a change, or someone who's trying to lose 50 pounds. It's all here. It's an incredible atmosphere.
Fastest ride yet.
I see those women out there, and I have such pride in them. And I know they're gonna finish this race, and they're gonna go back into the real world as moms and daughters and sisters and professionals, and they're gonna say, hey, I can do that.
If you're looking to try a triathlon, or if you're a seasoned triathlete, definitely come out and try this event. It is hands down really a festival feel, and really inclusive, energetic.
Today was a gorgeous day. Like, you can't ask for anything better.
The one to do if you're going to try a triathlon, this is the one to do.
So proud of you, Mom. Daughter and granddaughter. Woo! Another daughter. Another daughter.
All the daughters.
Cheering her on.
Coralie McGregor and Carly Mundy are advancing the Subaru Triathlon Festival for women.